To use a Dasher Direct virtual card at a gas station, start by ensuring you have the Dasher Direct app installed on your mobile device and that you have a sufficient balance in your account. First, pull up to the gas pump and select the type of fuel you want to purchase. Next, insert the nozzle into your vehicle's gas tank and select the payment option on the pump. Since you are using a virtual card, you will need to select the mobile payment option or the credit card option. If the gas station accepts mobile payments, such as Apple Pay or Google Pay, you can link your Dasher Direct card to one of these services and pay using your mobile device. If not, you can use the card details provided in the Dasher Direct app to manually enter the card information at the pump. To do this, open the Dasher Direct app and navigate to the card details section. Here, you will find the card number, expiration date, and security code. Enter this information at the pump, just as you would with a physical credit card. Once you have entered the payment information, confirm the amount and complete the transaction. The funds will be deducted from your Dasher Direct account, and you will receive a receipt for the transaction. It is essential to note that not all gas stations accept virtual cards or mobile payments. So it is a good idea to call ahead and confirm that the gas station you plan to visit accepts this type of payment. Additionally, make sure to keep your Dasher Direct app and account information up to date to avoid any issues with your transactions. By following these steps, you can easily use your Dasher Direct virtual card to pay for gas at a gas station. Remember to always keep your account information secure and monitor your transactions regularly to avoid any potential issues.